Session 3, Getting Started. Welcome back to the third in our series of bite-sized quality improvement sessions. Previous sessions should have supported you to identify and then test your improvement idea using the circle of influence and force field analysis. In this session, we will introduce the first part of the model for improvement and support you in writing a project aim. The Model for Improvement was first published in 1992 by Langley, Nolan and others in the Improvement Guide, a practical approach to enhancing organisational performance. The model provides a framework for developing, testing and implementing changes which will lead to improvements. We're going to look at the first part, or what is often referred to as the thinking part, where we consider the three fundamental questions at the top of the diagram. You will already have tested your idea using the circle of influence and force field analysis. It's now important to use this question to help you to be clear about the improvements you would like to make, the results you'd like to see, and how you would like things to be different. Having a clear aim for your improvement project is crucial. There are three elements to consider when setting an improvement aim. What do you intend to do, who's going to do it, and the timescales involved. Setting an aim helps to keep you on track. You can clearly see how we've included each element, what, who, and by when in this ELC example. The what is the independent access of daily play and learning opportunities. The who is 95% of children, and the by when is December 2020. We recognise that 100% isn't always achievable, which is why we've set our aim at 95%. Our aim is not about hard work alone, however it is about making small changes which will lead to an improvement. Use this format for your own project aim. The next question is to ask yourself, how will you know that change is an improvement? Without measurement, it's impossible to know whether you have improved or if your project has been a success. Think about how you would like things to be different when you've implemented your change and agree what data you need to collect to measure it. There's a whole range of data which could be gathered to illustrate our previous fictional aim. This could include tally sheets to record the numbers of children going outdoors, numbers of children accessing the outdoor area independently, the views of children, their families, and of course don't forget to include the views of staff. Measurement should be both about numbers and feedback. Record keeping is an essential element in quality improvement. Ensure you record discussions, actions and changes you have made to help you keep track of your progress. For example, children may tell you what they like or don't like about going outside, or parents might share their concerns about children going outside in inclement weather. These are important factors to take into account and will help you to overcome any barriers and build on what is working well. By keeping good records, you will also be able to share the information with others to help demonstrate the quality and impact of your improvement. The last question asks you to decide which changes you will make or try in order to achieve the results you're looking for. This is effectively a list of possible solutions to meet your aim. What do you and your team think is a good idea? What have other people tried that you could try? And do you have evidence from elsewhere which shows what is likely to work? You can consider adapting ideas from others and be really creative with your own ideas for change. These small change ideas will generate their own small aims. For example, a small change aim could be to move children's outdoor clothing to be nearer the outdoor access point. Keep referring back to the previous two questions and make sure you keep your large overall aim in mind. Gather together as many ideas as you can, as these will form the basis for your next step. Use the ideas sheets below the bite-sized session to record your change ideas and your answers to the three fundamental questions. In our next bite-sized session, we will look at the plan, do, study, act element known as the PDSA cycle for improvement. This is when you'll have the opportunity to test out your ideas to see if the changes you make lead to your identified improvement aim. If you found this session useful, then please feel free to tweet about it using the hashtag ELCimprove. If you would like any more information on our improvement programme, then please email us at the address on this slide.